Access the search toolbox. Choose to search for a specific item in open documents. Look for an item with a unit rate equal to, or starts in a certain way or contains certain characters. In the same way, operate on the extended description looking for an entire sentence or at least one of the words typed. You can also act on the unit rate by defining a precise value or a range. Even search by date when the item entries were created. And set the maximum number of entries to show in results. Once you have set one or more conditions, start the search. The entries that respond to the set search criteria are shown. Use the found items by doing a drag and drop into other documents. Or by double-clicking on one of them, the document that contains the item is highlighted. The search on disk method works in the same way, but with all PriMus documents previously saved on your PC. You can direct and limit the search to a specific path or folder, and choose the PriMus documents format to search for.